Brussels sprouts. So here's our Brussels sprout. Always make sure that they're firm with little to no blemishes on the leaves. You also want to look at the root. If it looks healthy, then that's a good sign. So first step is to remove the first layer of leaves, and this is totally optional, but a lot of the times they're blemished and not in the best condition. Nonetheless, they still make for a great addition to a stir fry or when sautéed. Next, we'll cut off most of the root, however, making sure it's still intact as it'll keep the rest of the leaves from separating. We'll then slice in half, and this is the way to roast Brussels sprouts, tossed in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and face side down in a 425-degree oven until golden brown. You can also thinly slice each half and include in a salad. And there's our Brussels sprout.